My name is Adrian Cutajar. I am a lawyer by profession and graduated in laws and financial services. I have been working in the financial services sector now for the past 15 years, focusing almost extensively on corporate law, company secretarial work, and compliance and regulatory services. Together with Castille Institute, we have developed a number of courses which we carry out during the course of the year. We have a course dealing with the duties and obligations of the company secretary, the duties of company directors, another one dealing extensively with board committees, and another two which will be coming up later on this year dealing with corporate governance and Maltese company law in general. In the course dealing with corporate governance, on the one hand, there is the theoretical aspect of corporate governance. So we try and identify and define what corporate governance is, with particular relevance to corporate governance in Malta. In the second part of the course, we take a more practical approach. So we try and identify what are the constitutive elements of a corporate governance model and how is a corporate governance model implemented. I think that the course is relevant to any person working in the financial services sector. However, it is specifically intended for directors or individuals aspiring to act as directors of regulated entities and listed companies in Malta. In the course dealing with company law in Malta, we consider various areas of company law. This is a very wide area. There are a number of topics, but we try and synthesize the main features of Maltese company law in this one-day course. We start off the course with the theoretical aspects of Maltese company law. So we look at the sources of the Maltese company law. We consider the Maltese Companies Act, which is the main legislative instrument dealing with companies in Malta. We also consider the evolution of company law in Malta, and also a number of regulations which are relevant or issued in terms of the Maltese Companies Act. On the practical side, we look at the different functionaries of the Companies Act. So we consider the role of the company director, the duties of company secretaries, the role of the registrar of companies as well, together with the role of auditors and liquidators. I think this course has a wide audience. It is interesting to individuals already working in the corporate services industry, to individuals or students aspiring to work in the corporate services industry, as well as existing directors and company secretaries.